This is Oglesby Road in Petal, Mississippi. This is the scene of where a tornado, right now an EF3 tornado, struck about 4:30 in the morning yesterday, Saturday, January 21st. This is near one of the elementary schools in Petal, which also sustained serious damage. As you can see, a lot of cleanup efforts are underway, tree removal, roofing, but you can see also that there are a lot of homes damaged, a lot of tree damage, just a lot of damage, period. Anyway, I'll be posting more throughout the day. If you have any questions, just tag me, and see you later. And this is your backyard?
This is the backyard. I couldn't even see the shop. All the trees were just piled up.
Yeah.
And if you'll look right over there, you can see the river bridge. We've never seen it before.
No.
You can look back this way and see the lights and the water.
That is incredible.
It was an ordeal. It was bad.